Hi friends, hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I've come with a classic apple crumble cake. This cake is super soft and delicious. The soft apple cake along with the crunchiness of the nut crumble is just delicious. So let us see how to make it. For the crumble, we will take 3 tablespoons of butter. Into that 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and 4 tablespoons of flour. Into that, here I have taken toasted walnuts, chopped walnuts. Instead of walnuts, you can use any other nuts and mix well and keep it aside. The cake batter, I have taken 1.5 cups of Maida or all-purpose flour. Into that, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt, and then mix well and keep it aside. Into a bowl, take half cup of melted butter and 3/4 cup of sugar. Here I have powdered the sugar. Beat well. I've taken 2 eggs. Beat the eggs one at a time. Into this, add a tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat well. Add the other egg also and beat well. Thank you, dear friends, for all the support shown for my previous videos. It's really motivating. Thank you for your feedbacks and comments. If you're new to my channel and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, if you like my videos, please do consider subscribing. Thank you. Let us add the flour into the butter, sugar, egg mixture and fold in. The flour should be sieved well so that the baking powder, baking soda and salt get mixed well with the flour. We'll fold in the flour. Add the rest of the flour. Here I have taken 2 cups of peeled and chopped apples and mixed with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it into the batter. Lemon juice will prevent the apple from turning brown. You can also add cinnamon powder if you like the flavor. If you like my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. The cake batter is ready. Now here I have taken a 7-inch cake tin, greased and floured well. Into that we'll transfer the batter, cake batter. Spread it uniformly. Spread this crumble uniformly on top of the cake batter. The nutty crumble takes the cake to a different level. So it's super tasty. We'll bake this cake at around 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes, but then it depends on the oven and also the tin which we are taking. If we are taking a bigger tin, then it will take lesser time. The cake is beautifully baked. We'll remove it from the tin once it is slightly cooled after 4-5 minutes. Please do try this recipe. It is super delicious. Everyone will love it. The cake is nicely browned and it's beautifully baked. It's super yummy. You can even have it along with a dollop of ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Would love to see your comments and feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you, friends, for stopping by. Take care, stay safe. Bye.